Bitboy Crypto exposed that Cardano will go 100 times in February. Secret Cardano ADA news today. There seemed to be a bearish trend, especially with all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that self-declared crypto gurus have been spouting on Twitter. Many of them are in the preference of more lively coins, such as Floki, Sol, and currently even Doge, claiming that ADA has been a boring coin, almost like a stablecoin. Though I do not deny their observation with the price of ADA currently hovering about $1.25 for the past few days, I would have to argue that they're completely missing the point of Cardano. Today, we're going to talk all about what Bitboy just revealed about Cardano and why ADA will 10 times in 2022. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 24th of January, shall we? Cardano is one of the few digital assets in the top 100 that enjoyed hikes at the start of the current 7-day period. The coin saw a 13.5% increase at the time, but succumbed to the general market sentiment the following day. ADA lost 9% of its value following the increase and has been cascading down since then. The asset is currently down by 22% and has shown a little resistance to the massive correction that swept the market during the previous intraday session. Opening the week at $1.41, the ADA USD pair surged to a high of $1.62 and hit a low of 92 cents as it lost the $1 support. The coin suffered its biggest retracement on Friday as it lost more than 10%. Cardano seemed to be recovering as we noticed that the candle representing the current intraday session is a doji. ADA is also heading for the oversold region as RSI is currently at 39. The sixth largest asset also experienced a bearish divergence on MACD. Now let's get back to the topic. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and IOG, its development foundation, revealed some of the plans for the network's growth in 2022 in a 30-minute Christmas Eve talk on YouTube from his home in Boulder, Colorado. My goal for the second half of 2022 is to figure out how to put all the pieces together to get an end-to-end microfinance transaction on Cardano, Hoskinson said. The Cardano founder said a structure that oversees the creation of decentralized products on the network would be introduced. A formal open-source project structure is going to be formed, kind of like Hyperledger to Linux, Hoskinson said. Cardano, founded in 2015 and launched in 2017 as an alternative to Ethereum, is a proof-of-stake blockchain that relies on network validators to process transactions for ADA, its native currency, and maintain the network. It's the sixth largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $51.18 billion at the time of this writing. People have previously complained that Cardano hasn't met its stated goal of being completely decentralized. In 2020, IOG published a paper explaining how it would decentralize its block production, a goal that was reached in April 2021. The network turned fully community-governed and operated in April this year, while September saw the public launch of smart contracts on Cardano, opening up the network's capability to support decentralized finance applications. DeFi protocols rely on smart contracts instead of third parties to provide financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading. Such protocols lock over $260 billion over various blockchains, as per data from analytics service DeFi Llama. Public DeFi applications are absent on Cardano in December 2021, but that's not deterring Hoskinson from visualizing widespread activity on the network in 2022. A real person in Kenya or somewhere with a blockchain-based identity and credit score, stablecoin on the other side, Cardano is the settlement rail, he said. Cardano improvement proposals. Developers are also working on Cardano improvement proposals, a set of community-governed network enhancements that are slated to go live in 2022. Hoskinson said. Some of these include human-readable information for assets issued on Cardano and a native web wallet for interacting with DeFi protocols. Hoskinson said a recent testnet rollout would improve the network. Peer-to-peer is currently being tested with the stake pool operators on the testnet, and there's lots of stuff happening there. The peer-to-peer framework aims to make the network more decentralized, with 11 operators initially serving as test subjects on a semi-public testnet. A testnet is a blockchain that runs on the same software as a mainnet, allowing developers to test out features and applications before they go live in the real world. When testing is complete, network validators would be able to communicate directly with each other to process block data instead of relying partly on nodes set up by IOG, a process the development firm says could help aid in creating a more decentralized network. We've kicked off an important new initiative to support our ongoing drive toward full decentralization with the launch of a new peer-to-peer P2P testnet, explained IOG in a December 2021 blog post. Cardano has been thrown under the bus and considered a stablecoin for the past few months when the price of ADA consistently falls and plateaued at around $1.3 to $1.5, a down of 50% from its all-time high. However, the recent rally may signify a change in investors' perception of the cryptocurrency. Personally, I feel that ADA is severely underpriced. Bitboy Crypto is also very bullish on Cardano and talks all about this in his recent Cardano video. Bitboy said, Charles Hoskinson has revealed that there are more than 175 projects that are being built on Cardano, and many will be launched by the end of Q1 2022. If this isn't a great sign, I don't know what is. He also said, I do believe that with the strong fundamentals and strong community that Cardano is built on, it is one of the cryptocurrencies that will withstand the test of time. So ADA might soon be in for an explosive rally. Now we'll look at the key project launched on Cardano blockchain, plus the future outlook for Cardano and what it means for ADA's value, including what Charles Hoskinson says about the Basho scaling era, taking transactions from hundreds to hundreds of thousands per second. The project is Occam X. Occam Finance and their new decentralized exchange called Occam X. Those of us that follow Cardano will know about something called the concurrency issue. Essentially, because Cardano uses the same accounting system, more or less, as Bitcoin, called UTXO, but with a set of validators that sit on top that allow smart contracts, which Cardano calls Extended UTXO or EUTXO, it can create an issue where you may not be able to actually trade or swap more than once in each block. It isn't great for a decentralized exchange. In any case, this is something the developers on Cardano will have to understand and develop to create DEXs on the blockchain. Occam say they're confident that their DEX is ready to go with receipts, that they have a working solution for this and trade twice at the same time. The transactions indeed occur in the same block in the blockchain, as shown by using the Cardano Scan Explorer to verify. Occam is the first working solution to the concurrency issue, and stakes are obviously higher as whichever DEXs launch first may become a preferred option. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!